Mentioned earlier, this is 25% off. And you get on top 500 peso off when you guys use your Visa card and when you shop on the Zalora Pop-up store.
Pilates and Vinyasa yoga. So that's nice.
That's great. How about you, Ina?
Well, mine is a little different. Like I play for a team sport, so usually we don't get to pick what time we train. So it's usually in the morning. So we wake up and then we go to training, and then we do our natural training process under the sun, which is sometimes nice, sometimes not, because it's so hot. But after that, we have another session in the afternoon for like a gym lift or a recovery. We do a bit of yoga. Mobility is very important for us.
They don't want to hear me. Since my indoor cycling is something that I do almost every day, so that's really something that I incorporate in my daily routine. But aside from that, I also include weight training. So not completely cardio. I try to alternate what I do. So I also have to do lifting full body, upper, lower, and then I alternate that also with the cycling classes that I do.
Forward. If the choreography feels too much, just walk it out.
And promos. That's why we're our official payment partner, Visa.
Don't forget to use the hashtag #TTrain7 Zalora turns 11 and tag Zalora PH. What's up, One more time, let's punch it down.